Okay, everybody, just give me a moment. I'm just going to go ahead and put my Pico 3 over there on the other computer. Like I said, it's going to be one of those things that will take a moment. I'm hoping that I'm live now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mute this, and then I'm going to have that open. Okay, cool. So here we are. Okay, I'm going to go put this Pico 3 on another computer. That way we can have it ready to go. And voila. There are a few problems with the Pico converter, or with the business converter, and there's a few problems here and there. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try it. Okay, so I'm going to build it on this computer here. We're actually just going to take this here, copy, and create a new folder here. We're going to name this business. Business converter, okay? And then what we're going to do is take this, throw it in here. Okay. There is some issues and some things that I need to figure out within here while I build this business converter thing, okay? Oops. I don't know why that did that. I'll copy it, back, paste. Cool. Because I didn't want to move it from one folder to another. Okay, there we go. So, all right, so this is going to be interesting, okay, because what we're going to do is build it all in here, and then I need to have a launcher that shows applications that are installed on Android, because the issue that we're going to have is the store doesn't show up. So that's what we're going to have to do. And just give me one moment. I gotta do something real quick. Kind of annoying. Anytime I try to do anything, I have to go to the bathroom. So it's kind of annoying. I didn't even have to go until I started recording, so it just doesn't make any sense. What we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take the region checker, and that is actually going to be one thing that we need. We also need to find a launcher or a application window for Android. So like okay, so like what we can do is how to install. What I want to do is have like an app drawer that can show us what apps are installed, and then we can just, launch those apps from that window. Like you just open it up and then you can install the apps from the window. So while I'm thinking of that, we're gonna go ahead and open up a notepad here. And I'm not gonna run a marathon and try to do this fast. This is just me. I'm building this, okay? So it's gonna take a minute to build all this stuff. Okay. Basically, this is just the region checker, and we definitely need to get and we need to set the region as well. So if we go in here, we also need to set the region. I believe it's in here to set because we need to know what we need to actually attempt to set it, because the region is still important. Okay, and we will probably still need to clear things, but let's see where it says to set. Attempting PM uninstall. Okay, put user settings. Okay, so it does set it here. Okay, we do need to clear and do this. We also need to add in extra additional uninstalling program stuff. And then we need to set up another region store just because this region store is going to work the way we need it to work. But we need to actually, what we're going to do is use the Chinese store as the base for the initial thing. So we're going to actually going to create the Chinese store is going to become the one that we're going to need to do. Okay, we're going to actually set this one to US. Okay, and then what we need to do is figure out the code to uninstall applications, like completely. Oh, PM uninstall, and here we are. This is what we need. Okay, we actually need to set this to completely remove and purge data. So without further ado, we need to do, where's my mouse? I don't know why it's having problems. For fuck's sakes. Like, why did it lose connection? I don't know, but that's why. Okay. We need to get it to connect. Okay, Google. What time is it? Like, why the fuck is my Wi-Fi not connecting? Okay. All right. So here we go. Let's try again. Trying to connect it to this other computer, and it's a pain in the ass. Need to minimize this. Minimize that. Okay. Minimize. Okay. Because we're gonna need to eventually move it over here. But what I need to do, because the Pico's over here, we need to open up the CMD program. And we need to go into ADB. And I need to find an ADB thing. So ADB actually needs to be moved over to the C drive here. Just to make it easier for everybody. Actually, we don't need this. We just need delete. We need to paste. Okay, so there we go. Now we have ADB. Okay, so what we need to do is cd.auth, cd ADB, cd ADB shell, and then what I'm getting here is the information that we need for the packages. Okay, and then we need to PM list. Wow, I like how I fucking type and it moves it over there. PM list packages. Sorry. It just drives me nuts when I'm trying to type fast and then it just moves it over for no fucking reason. It pisses me off. It really does. Okay, so I need a notepad. The reason I need a notepad is because I need all this shit moved in here. I know I get frustrated. It's like, why would I be typing? Maybe I should use notepad in here. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so what we need to actually do is we need to find the 2Bs, okay? And we need to uninstall the 2Bs. So what you do is you go 2B. 2B. Okay. And then 2B calibration, 2B MDM, 2B Pico user service, 2B activate, which maybe we should remove 2B activate. So I'm going to actually copy this, go in here, and then we're going to instead use that 2B activate. And what we're doing is removing the all the 2Bs that we can think of. And I had 2B, maybe I should do store, see if there's store. But the store is gone, so all the stuff that I've actually had, which is crazy, it's not showing up in there. And I had it on my other computer, so I have to grab it from my other computer. And then I have to put it in a notepad over here, because for some reason the 2Bs are not showing up. It's so annoying. It should have showed up even in my list. So that's okay. Just Control Alt copy, and then I'll just put it onto the server. Okay, why is it showing empty? Oh shit. Okay. Right now my server hard drive is not showing up for any of my movies. That's why. Fuck, okay. How am I gonna get these files over to the other one? I guess I'll just have to do this. Find 2B activate 2B user center. Okay. So I'll just have to do it this way because this is fucking dumb. Okay. So in here. Okay. 2B VR user center. 2B VR user center. So 2B VR user center. Okay. Control V or Control 2B home. We need to get rid of 2B home. And then 2B store. And what I have to do is create a script for when it reboots. 2B store. Okay. 2B user service. 2B service. And I think I did 2B service. I think I turned that one off. So we'll just do another one. 2B service. And then there was another 2B activate. Okay. And then business. We need to actually get rid of business. Stream. Be stream assistant. Okay, so what we actually need to do is we actually need to create another one that says com Pico XR be stream assistant. That'll get rid of the business streaming assistant that we don't need. And then we need to get rid of services. 2B user service, 2B service. I don't know what the business one is. BUSINESS. Maybe if I just do bus. I can't find the other one that we did disabled. Oh, to be service, to be assistant, enterprise assistant. Okay, that's the one we need to get rid of too. Pico VR to be to enterprise assistant. I think I have to make sure it's spelled right. Dang it. ENTER price assistant. I think ENTER. I'm just gonna separate the words for right now. PRISEA SSI STANT. There we go. I was kind of stupid and did that. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so we got that done. I just had it on another computer when I was working on it, and that was yeah. And what we need to actually do is we actually need to copy this line. Actually, the Chinese firm, yeah, we actually just need to copy this line. Boom, okay. So we need to go here. Attempting to install consumer store. Okay. Attempting uninstall a business. Okay. Business apps. Attempting to install. And then successfully install business store. Oh, consumer store. Or actually global store, right? Yeah, it's more like global store. Okay. All right. Matrix is not going to allow you to do it. Store. Yeah. Okay. We're attempting to change to US. Attempting to clear cache. Okay, cool. Okay. The only thing that's missing in this script is basically business store remove, and then global store. Okay, so basically I don't have to touch this one because this is what we will run every time. And So basically we'll run this store, and then if you reboot, then it'll remove all these apps and then and work. I just can't do it within here. And unfortunately my server hard drives are down. It's so annoying. Maybe I have to flash drive it over and run it over the old way. Fuck. So annoying. Um, okay. So I need I need an APK. I can actually get rid of the APK China, because this is the business converter, and then region. AVL client we do not need. Tap one club Pro. I don't even think we really even need that anymore, but we need an APK launcher, so we need a launcher. So I need an Android. I need an A. We need just an app launcher. And app drawer. We need just an app drawer that shows all your apps. An apps manager. Maybe it's like that. Hmm. Because the thing is apps like the Pi Launcher, because the Pi Launcher doesn't show it. This one's really bad, but some people like it. Uh. Quest app launcher spoofed. Okay. Here we go. Let's try this one. Download. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, so one option I can do is like basically just grab this spoofed eye launcher, alt space VR, spoofed within, spoofed bait. Okay, I'll just try one of these spoofed well, like ABL launchers. I don't even know, but we'll just try it. Right? I mean, who knows? I mean, one of them might work. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll move it over to the new computer. I'm gonna go grab my Pico 3 and then move it over there. Okay, let's see if my hard drives are working now. PC. No. That's stupid. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and grab it manually. I have to reboot my server. Nothing's mounted. Okay. Neo Pro. Go ahead and grab this out of the way. That's minimized. Download business converter. Move it in here. And I'll make this available like as soon as I have it uploaded to my server, or as soon as I'm done messing with this. And like what I'm doing is creating a way so that like when we do reboot, then you can use the business store to re-enable everything that's disabled. And that's why I have the business store, and then the business store removal separate. They will do the same thing, but it's probably better not to keep running the same damn thing for making it look as clean as possible. The region checker will install the app launchers that we put in. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is see if it's still moving over. So I don't know why my freaking server is down, but we'll just go like this. Okay. Okay, that. We had a power outage, and that's why my server's down. I didn't know it was down until I came home. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Let's see if this thing's 3 hours to fucking transfer. How many freaking gigabytes is this shit? Because this shouldn't even be that long. It should just be 2 seconds. Let me see. Properties. It's only 500 megabytes. Why is it going to take 10 years to download 500 megabytes? Okay. All right, cool. All right, it should be on there now. I'm going to go ahead and move it over to the other computer. Move it off of there. Just a second. I guess with like all the launchers that I install, I guess what we can do is like with all the launchers I install, we can just, YOLO it, right? Okay. Let's close that. It probably won't come back on because it's probably not mounting correctly. Okay, so, let's just go with this. C, Pico Neo. Oh wow, it is mounting correctly. Okay, cool. So, business converter. Let's go move that in. Okay. Now that we have this, we can try. Cool, I fixed it. Let's try business converter over here. Because it might take 10 years to pull it. For fuck's sakes, just hurry. This PC. Drive 1. Let's go ahead and cancel that out. That just told me that the thing is working. Drive 1. Business converter. We're going to move that to the desktop. We're going to go okay. Oops. Before I even do that, I got to make sure it stopped transferring. Stop. Close. Okay. Yeah, it's closed. Okay, cool. All right, let's go for it. Cool. A lot much faster. Okay, business converter. Hopefully this works. And then I'm going to test it with on my head next after I'm done with this. And yeah, I wasn't really like moving as fast as possible because I was trying to figure out how to do the business converter. And there's a few different Pi launchers for Quest. I don't know if those are going to work or not, but we're going to try them anyway. Restart. Yeah, cool. Cool, okay. Close that. Let's open up this. Cool. Region checker bat. Okay, we're flashing the user interface to the device. Then I'm going to run the other streamer or the other thing to remove the store. Then I'm going to see if the store works. Then I'm going to reboot and call it a day. So we're going to then do remove store bat. Press continue. Okay, looks good so far. So the next thing is so that somebody can test this and see if it works for them. Okay. Next step is to go to the headset, see if it works, and then reboot the headset, and then try again. I did disable all that stuff, so all that shit was disabled. Okay, so now I'm putting my headset on and I'm gonna check. Okay. Quest launcher. Quest launcher does not work. Okay. So in this program, the Quest launcher is a piece of shit, okay? So I'll have to uninstall the piece of shit software where that doesn't work. Okay, let's see if Pi Launcher will work. Launcher settings. Okay, show app names, replace explore apps. Let's try it. Enable editing platforms. Oh. Add. I don't know. This is what it is. Pico browser. Delete group. Delete group because there's nothing. Okay, this is kind of stupid because it doesn't like delete a group. Delete a group. Tools. Okay. System. It's not like really. It's done editing. Okay. Tools and apps. Okay. But like platforms. Okay. Android apps, but it's not showing what we need. Okay. Either way. Store. Launch app. Store should work. Okay, it still works. Okay, I'm going to shut the device off and see if the store still works, okay? After I reboot. And then once that's off, we're going to then try again. Go ahead and turn on the thing. I do need to see about any installed applications should be able to work. Maybe I need to install the other launcher, like the Pico launcher. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so there's nothing to install. It's not, the store does not work, okay, because the store gets disabled, but the store services are still running. So we just have to, I have to go into APKs and delete these things are shit, so that's gonna be gone. I should pull one thing out and put it onto the thing and then just use the pylon or the what I'm using right now, but I have no idea. Okay, it's plugged back in. So we're going to go to business converter. We're going to then run the store back this time. We're going to go ahead and continue. Cool. All successful. USA. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to go grab my headset, see if it works, and then I'll upload this, but it's a work in progress. It's not completed? Yep, store works and everything. So at this point, I'm just going to upload what I have done. And then if you guys want to use it, you guys can. There is one thing that you guys probably need is a launcher, and I have no idea what launcher to use. You will definitely need a launcher. Where's my business? I thought I did it. Business. Oh, crap. We don't need those. Okay. I should probably include Lucky Patcher, but I'm not going to. What is this? Yeah, I don't want EEE. We're going to throw that away. Okay, cool. So we got business converter. I should probably name it to be version 0.1 because it's not a very good version. It's the best I have. You got to be kidding me. Why did it log me out? Okay. Where do I add? They make it so hard. Okay, so I'm going to move over here. Take the business converter, drop it in here, like right. Right? So stupid. Okay. like usable. Like, why would I do that? Okay. All right, so there we go. So hopefully somebody can reach back and let me know if it works. Yeah, that's what I'm making. Alrighty, so alrighty, so there we go. I know I'm just sitting here quiet, but I'm just kind of talking through the thing there. Maybe there's another way without Lucky Patcher. I'm going to grab my Pico and see if there's instructions. If there's instructions on how to launch a store without having to use Lucky Patcher, I'm going to see if there's a way. So I'm going to try that. Okay, so I'm going to click on there. One Tap Pro, get started. Yeah, One Tap Pro. That's probably what we're going to have to use. Okay. Next step, allow. Cool. Continue. Okay. Close. App groups. Store. Open it. Okay. We don't need it. We don't need Lucky Patcher. Yep, use Lucky Patcher to open the store. Okay, so okay, so what I'm going to do is stream this, and then I'm probably going to end the live stream. But what I'm going to do is show instructions on how to use the product and how to use the Lucky Patcher, and then stream how to open it. And then that way people can see that's how you use it. And then that way it's easier for people to understand. So I'm going to end the live stream and then create a new video on how to use Business Converter and how to use it. As far as it being a beta thing, I guess that's the best I can do. Hopefully that's helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream and then create a guide on how to use how to use Business Converter. All right, thank you guys for watching and have a great